are the salesman, right?
Yeah.
I want to buy that car for the next year.
Oh, yeah, you can buy, but the car is getting expensive next year because there is no tax exemption for the import car or even BYD, sir.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but no worry, you have a Proton, for example, because they are assembled in Malaysia and still have tax exemption. So the price is maybe even low compared to other. Hi guys, today I will talk about Proton Holding Berhad and how the new EV policy in Malaysia create opportunity for the company. Recently, the Ministry of Finance announced that the tax exemption for fully imported electric vehicle or CBU EV will end after December 31, 2025. But for locally assembled EV, known as CKD EV, the tax incentive will continue until 2027. This change is a big deal. It's basically give a local car maker like Proton a major advantage. With a strong government support, existing product plans and Geely technology, Proton now has the chance to step out and take the lead in the Malaysia EV industry. So, what's the opportunity here? First, Proton can gain a strong competitive edge because imported EV will become more expensive once the tax benefits end. Second, this move will encourage faster EV launch and greater public interest since a local EV can be priced lower and made more affordable. Third, it helps local supplier grow. That means more job creation and stronger local economy. With Proton 2 factory in Tanjung Malay plus its partnership with Geely, the company is in great position to make Malaysia as a homegrown EV brand.
Let's look at short-term consequences, both good and bad. Positive short-term consequences. Proton gain immediate pricing advantage over imported EV, helping sales. Faster model launch, and marketing of CKD can improve public interest and earlier adoption. Local supplier can start getting contracts, so job and manufacturing activity rise quickly. Negative short-term consequences. Proton must make a large upfront investment, new assembly lines, retooling and component sourcing, quality and tech standard quickly, which can be costly. Supply chain bottleneck and production delay may occur. For example, waiting list for some model like at the S70 show delivery challenge that hurt customer satisfaction. Also, because imported EV get pricier, overall national EV adoption could temporarily slow until local capacity ramps up.
Now, the long term, again, both sides. Positive long-term consequences. Proton could become Malaysia EV leader and even an ASEAN export hub, driving sustained growth. A major local EV industry would boost R&D, local parts manufacturing including batteries and the whole supply chain. This support national goal for technology transfer and sustainable mobility. The second one, negative long-term consequences. The CKD incentive and in 2027, if the government doesn't extend the support, Proton could lose its cost advantage. Strong regional competitor BYD, Neta, Chery may also localize production, increasing competition. Long-term success hinges on charging infrastructure and consumer readiness. If these don't keep pace, market growth may be limited.
To turn this into lasting advantage, Proton should scale up manufacturing capacity to reduce wait time and lower unit costs, partner deeply with local suppliers for battery and components to build resilient and cut costs. Use incentive to keep price affordable for mainstream buyers and accelerate adoption. Focus on quality and branding. Market Proton EV as affordable, reliable, and proudly Malaysian to build loyalty. Advocates for steady policy support and help develop charging infrastructure with public and private partners. In conclusion, the policy shift is a big opportunity for Proton, but it's come with real risks. Short-term Proton benefit from pricing and demand potential, yet face investment and supply chain challenges. Long term, it could lead Malaysian EV industry, provide Proton secure supply chains, maintain quality, and navigate competition and policy change. Reflection. This situation show how policy can reshape an industry, but the company choice, investment, partnership, and strategy determine whether that window become long-term success or just a short-term advantage.